Hello friends, I'm Pari and today I will be telling you a story about the trapper and the doves. Once a flock of doves was flying in the sky searching for food. They spotted some scattered rice near a banyan tree. The wise leader of the doves cautioned them, "Stop! It can be a trap. Who dropped these grains in this open land?" The doves did not listen to their leader and landed on the ground to eat the grains. While they were eating, a net fell on them, and to their shock, they were all trapped. In a panic, the doves started blaming each other for their misfortune. The trapper was happy to catch so many birds. He went back to his house to fetch a large bag. The leader spoke calmly now. "There is no need to fight or panic. I have a plan to escape, only if you are willing to listen to me." The doves calmed down and decided to follow the advice of their leader. The leader suggested to the doves, "Each one of you must pick a position in the net. Then we must fly together in coordination, carrying the net with us." All the doves followed his lead and flapped their wings together. The trapper watched helplessly as they flew away with the net. He ran after them, but it was futile. Soon he lost track of the birds. The doves reached a hill, and their leader said, "Let's land here. I have a friend who can help us." A mouse came out of his hole when he saw the doves. The leader of the doves said to the mouse, "My friend, can you set us free from the net?" The mouse gnawed at the net with his sharp teeth and soon set them free. The doves thanked the mouse and flew away. The moral of the story is that we are stronger when we work together. So, how did you like this story? What all did you learn from it? Let us do some activities and exercises to understand the story better. Fill in the blanks to the following sentence. The doves were searching for dash. What were the doves searching for? Write down your answers in your notebooks and let's move on to the next question now. Fill in the blanks to the following sentence. The doves found scattered rice near dash. Where did the doves found the scattered rice? Write down your answers in the notebook. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks to the following sentence. The doves escaped the trapper by flying together in dash. How did they escape the trapper? Write down your answers in your notebooks. Question number 4. Have you ever seen a dove? If yes, what color are they? Do you know what color the doves are? Question number 5. Who helped the doves set free from the net? Write down the answers to these 5 questions in your notebooks and discuss these questions with your friends in class as well. Now, I will give 2 questions that you can think about and discuss with your friends, with your teachers, with your classmates, or at home with your parents. Question number 1. What was the main reason that led the doves to get caught by the trapper? Question number 2. The birds worked together to escape the trapper. But if you were a dove, what would you have done? I will repeat the questions. What was the main reason that led the doves to get caught by the trapper? Question number 2. The birds worked together to escape the trapper. If you were a dove, what would you have done? Now, let us discuss some words that we learned in this story. A flock of doves. Scattered. Wise. Caution. Shock. Panic. Blame. Misfortune. Trapper. Calm. Escape. Advice. Coordination. Track. Friend. Nod. Futile. How many of these words do you know the meaning to? Now, then let's discuss their meanings. A flock of doves means a group of doves flying together. Scattered means covering a wide area or spread out. The third word is wise. Wise means someone who has extremely good knowledge, experience, and judgment. Fourth word is caution. Caution means to be care taken to avoid danger or any mistakes. Our fifth word is shock. Shock means when someone is extremely upset by a sudden surprising event or experience. Our sixth word is panic. It means to be extremely afraid or in fear and do some unthinkable behaviors, meaning something that might embarrass us. Our seventh word is blame. Blame means to accept responsibility over your mistake or someone else's mistake. Our eighth word, misfortune, means extremely bad luck. Our ninth word, trapper, means someone whose job is to catch wild animals or birds, especially for their fur or for food. Our 10th word is calm. Calm means not showing any strong emotions of anger, nervousness, or fear, and being extremely composed in even difficult situations. Our 11th word is escape. Escape means to break free from a jail or any confined spaces. Advice means to guide or to offer recommendation. Our 13th word is coordination. Coordination means to move together in perfect alignment, in perfect rhythm, and moving the parts of your body at the same time, like when the birds moved in coordination to fly away with the net. Our 14th word, track, means to follow someone or their movements. The 15th word is friend. A friend, you must know what a friend means. Our 16th word is nod. Nod means to nibble at something or to bite something. Our last word is futile. Futile means pointless. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I will be back another day with another story for you all.